So what did we go over yesterday in the safety meeting?
Waste disposal.
Process water, very good. What's the main issue with process water?
Contamination.
Contamination of what?
Groundwater.
Groundwater, there you go.
Waterways.
So making sure we have proper containment, right? All right, today we're going to talk about booze, alcohol. What is the legal limit for a CDL holder?
0.2.
No, 0.04. It is half the legal limit of a Class D license.
So you can only get half as drunk.
Doesn't work that way.
Half the test.
What is Waste Management's policy on alcohol-related offenses? If you don't have a license, you can't drive, right?
Not supposed to.
What is DOT's regulation on having a DUI with a CDL?
First one's 1 year, you lose your CDL.
1 year is 1 year
You
suspension.
get a Class D after 90 days, but your CDL's gone for 1 year.
And what happens on the second offense,
Say goodbye to it. No more CDL. Lost them.
For life.
as we know?
Only 99
Unfortunately.
years.
We lost a really good driver then.
Does that matter if it's in a commercial vehicle or in a personal vehicle? Any vehicle. Okay. So with that being said, we have a pretty good crew here that doesn't come in hungover with still having a blood alcohol content.
You had it good, Owen.
But what are some things that we need to do as individuals and as a team to make sure that we're safe when it comes to this? Comes to having alcohol on our breath or not fit for duty.
Behave yourself.
Yeah.
Behave yourself?
Yeah, I mean, don't be drinking, go for it.
We work
Zero
early
tolerance.
We work early in the morning, right?
Zero tolerance
Yeah.
for waste management.
Yep. It is a zero
Responsibility.
Yeah,
responsibility, accountability. So, what can we do as a team though? If you notice someone, don't think of it as being a rap, but we should probably say something, because if someone gets pulled over, what happens?
You lose a driver.
You lose a driver, but what does that do?
Gives the company black eye.
There you go. Not only gives the company a black eye, but puts each and every one of you on a list, basically. And you might not want to believe it, or people might not want to say it that way, but if someone gets caught in a company vehicle, and gets a DUI, or gets a related offense to that nature with the DOT, they're probably going to look at the whole fleet, okay?
Probably can expect an audit.
Yeah, expect an audit as well, because we have our random blood alcohol content tests and our urinalysis tests. So that's all DOT regulated.
That's all we need is a guy standing out of a breathalyzer every morning.
Yep.
Can
So
I
what's
be a
it-
woman instead?
So what's the takeaway?
How much alcohol you use on
Zero
it?
tolerance.
Don't
Don't
do
do
it.
it. And then, any other takeaways? No one then?
Who's staying home?
No
No one's gonna follow what I'm doing here? No one then? Never mind. I'm trying to be funny. And then, if you say and then again, I'm gonna come in there.
Then again.
Sorry. Let's have a safe day. Just remember, it's zero tolerance. It's for your safety and everyone else's.
John, hey, you were. Thank you.
They gonna